I was saying that since 1976 at least, there have been quite many Igbos from Nigeria. And then it's good to know where the Igbos come from. West Africa is the eastern part of Nigeria. And there are certain crops that you may know, and they actually came from there. Like for example, if you eat okra,
oh yeah,
okra comes originally from Igbo land. Another product that a lot of people like is they're called yams, and we have various kinds of yams. They're real big. Some of them, the yams are just not what you see in the store, like potatoes. They are some of them as big as 2 or 3 feet high, and they are very good. And it's actually what is called a man's crop. And so when our president explained to you about the roles of men and women, while the women grow vegetables, men grow yams. and all and different and women grow so many different cash crops, but the man's job mostly is yams, and then cocoa and the rest of them come later. So the Igbos, and again, as Dr. Sen told you guys, they are very resourceful people. And when you talk about being married, really, when he mentioned that, it's really the culture of the people in that it's just not being married alone, it's also the economic future. When a man is married, if he doesn't have any males, when he goes, that whole compound is done. So that's why, he feels he has to have a male, because everybody lives in their compound. And so, children, very important. But most importantly, the job is laborious. Like cutting a farm, palm trees and processing. So he needs company. He needs people. And the more people he has from children, the wealthier he is. So that's really why they expect children once, because he wants to be, he wants to be known in the society. So not only that it's economical, and it's economic, it's also culture. So here in New Mexico, you will see a lot of Igbos in various fields. Professors at the university, pharmacists, nurses. Every facility you go here in New Mexico, you will see an Igbo nurse. And so all over, doctors, business people, state, environment department, RLD, all over, you will see Igbos in various areas. Even in the markets, EMS farms, you see them. So, the Igbos of New Mexico have made a lot of contribution. If you go to Presbyterian, you see Igbo doctors. And so they're everywhere. So in New Mexico, since again 1976, Igbos have built and helped build the infrastructure of New Mexico. They've contributed immensely. So when you live here today, when you turn around, you will run into an Igbo man in this state, anywhere, whether you go to Clovis, Portales, Las Cruces, Holomon Air Force Base, State Santa Fe, Los Alamos, Igbos are there. And so we welcome you to our tradition, we welcome you to this cultural festival, and we know and we believe you will come back, because each year we bring you more interesting things, and very soon you'll be taking a trip visiting the Igbo land in Nigeria. Welcome.
Chief Emmanuel is one of the elders, and he speaks truth to power. And he's a respected person. He's one of the oldest Igbo man in New Mexico. And permit me to recognize one of our brothers standing within us, Kellen Brown. He is christened, what's your name? Kelechi. A round of applause for him, please. The Igbo people, we are very hospitable. And anyone, everyone, if you identify, if you've done your DNA and you found out that you, one way or the other, have lineage to Nigeria, we welcome you. That's how we do. The entire family of Brown identify as Igbo. We have Kelechi, Chibuike, Ifunanya, and Chiamaka Brown. Can you all wave the Brown family? All right. So, we the men have come to welcome you. We're going to dance back the dance of the lion in the house. Thank you.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobo, zobo, reigning by.